Our next contestant coming out here to charm you with his voice. He's a winner of Voice of Agra and a live Indian concert. Please welcome Kunal Kushwaha from Genpact, Bangalore.
I'm really super excited और थोड़ा सा नर्वस हूँ, हल्का सा नर्वस हूँ और देखते क्या होता है। प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी, हो गई मैं मतवारी, बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को, हे मैं जाऊं वारी वारी, मोहे सुध बुध नाय रही तन मन की, ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी, बेबस और लाचार फिरूं मैं, हारी मैं दिल हारी, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके मैं कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओ जी आज हो गई मैं, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी। इश्क जुनू जब हद से भर जाए, इश्क जुनू जब हद से भर जाए, हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए, जब इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, जब इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, खूब लगा लो पहले रस्ते रब बोले, यही इश्क दी मर्जी है, यही रब दी मर्जी है, यही इश्क दी मर्जी है, यही रब दी मर्जी है, तेरे बिन जीना कैसा हाँ खुद करती है, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओ जी हाँ जी हो गई, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी दीवानी। थैंक यू।
तेरी दीवानी दीवानी मैं हो गई. Oh my God, what a performance. Can we have a round of applause for him? I am very excited to know first from Madhur, do you see a future playback singer in him? But you have to keep your score secret this time.
Absolutely secret. You know what? I know Kailash very well. He's a very dear friend of mine. In fact, in corporate, he sung O Sikandar for me, which was a very popular song. So, I think the way you sung, with lot of enthusiasm, with lot of vibrant, and really enjoyed the way you sung.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. Means I think you're a very extrovert personality in real life, I think so, because you had a lot of...
Thank you so much, sir.
जलवा बहुत था आप में.
Thank you.
हाँ, बड़े नॉटी किस्म का स्माइल है आपका. हाँ, इसका राज बताएंगे आप?
सर राज ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ये लव है या डव है बताइए.
सर लव ही है. तेरी
Love
दीवानी।
है। आहा, क्या बात है। Very nice, super.
Thank you, sir.
बहुत अच्छा।
Leslie.
Kunal, you were sounding awesome. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. Your energy, जो और एक अच्छी बात है which I want to point out कि तुमने stage use किया है. एक जगह खड़े रह के नहीं गाया. You brought जो भी आपकी गाने में जो dynamics थे वो आपने हाथों से body language से बहुत बताया. गाने में भी बताया. And I think you're sounding fantastic.
Thank you so much, sir.
Leslie, you do so many shows. Do you see a performer in him?
I really feel that so many, not just him, but so many of the ones who've already come, including him, are just star material. It's just they decide to work. They want to work in a corporate office. But if you step out, agar aapko lagta hai ki you want to make it, yes, of course, you've got all the talent. I think you're very talented.
Thank you, sir.
Isn't that an awesome comment? Over to you, Toby.
Kunal, you have a voice of a rock star, okay? When you went a little low, you had that little pitching problem over there. You were a little offbeat when the drum, you looked at each other, you caught up. Definitely good. I can say you have a lot of stage presence because you are in sync with everyone who played the instruments. You have a lot of confidence in you because you walk around up and down and you do your thing like a true rock star. So hats off to you.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic. Scores. Leslie. Toby. 9. Fantastic. Thank you so much once again.
जजेस के कमेंट्स पॉजिटिव थे, सब अच्छा था और लोग ऑडियंस चीयर अप कर रहे थे. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Now, time is dancing by fast as we know, and we have now a team dance. Are you excited for it? Absolutely.
If I will judge them on, I will judge them on how they present the dance, not just plain dance. But if somebody does come with a theme or an idea or a concept, extra points. CTC as a concept is very good because I know for a fact that I, being a choreographer, I have been doing a lot of corporate shows. I train a lot of corporate people. Instead of us dancing, I train corporate staff to dance for their own functions. Some of them can't dance, but they're willing to dance. And at the end of the day, after rehearsals of around 2 weeks, they're all dancing on stage. You do not keep your eyes on the prize. Just keep your eyes to the finish line. Intent on finishing whatever you start and do it well. And automatically, you will see yourself putting plus points from us. An opportunity like this never comes again. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So what are you guys doing sitting in your corporate offices? This is an opportunity you have. Get up, walk towards this competition. You never know. A superstar is never born just by the age of 20 or 25. Internationally, you see superstars even coming at the age of 50 and 60. So it's never too late to even dance or to sing or to act. You may just achieve your dreams by coming in CTC, so don't hold back. Relive the forgotten passions, relive the superstar, CTC 2013.
We have Team Nisha from Capita, Mumbai. They promise to give you all a performance worth cherishing. Please put your hands together for Team Nisha. Vande! Vande! Super performance, I must say. And now, I would like to hear from Toby. How was the performance? Come forward.
Yeah, definitely it's nice to go patriotic. You guys did a good job. Little pieces of advice to you. There was a little there's not the three, there was a little coordination problems. You forgot something over there, but whenever you forget something, don't show it. The minute you forgot, your whole expression changed. Don't show it. Continue dancing. That's the best way. And we call that cheating. You know, we call that cheating because we never get caught. We never let anyone know that we've forgotten or we've done something wrong. Continue dancing. There was a little coordination, was a little less, but yes, you guys did a good job as far as the patriotic theme goes. You know, you spread out well, you traveled well, you used a lot of props up and down very well. So kudos to you guys. Good job.
Madhur?
I agree with Toby what he said. A bit coordination was here and there, but it's okay because I think ultimately the passion, the kind of emotion it was there, that was absolutely bang on. बहुत अच्छा आपने किया और लता दीदी का गाना क्योंकि I am very close to Lata didi in real life also. I really relate to her. I speak to her. So I could relate to this song completely, and since Lata ji and Patriotic is absolutely double whammy for me, and you all have I can't believe it यार कि corporates में तुम लोग रह के ऐसा काम करते हो यार, कमाल है। कहाँ से ये coordination, कहाँ से ये energy, कहाँ से ये जलवा आप लोग में आता है यार, बहुत अच्छा यार। मैंने जिस तरह से आप लोग ने इसको परफॉर्म किया और बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से आपने ने किया, और जो आपका जो एक देशभक्ति का प्यार था, एक जो अंदर की गूंज थी जो आपने आगे लाई, वो बहुत अच्छी बात है और मैं बहुत बधाई दूंगा आपको। वंदे मातरम फिर से सुपर।
Leslie?
Like Madhur was just saying, हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि इन लोग डांस करते हैं या काम करते हैं, अब तक समझ में नहीं आ रहा है because there's so many acts like you which are so amazing and you guys are so, you know, your body line is so nice and you know I can't believe that you guys are actually corporate people who actually don't dance for a living. तो I don't know कि you have to thank CTC or whether CTC has to thank you for the level of performance. Either way, a big hand to both of you. A big hand to you guys for having worked so hard. I can see there's so much work, all the fabric, the flags, it's coordination. It takes a lot of work. At the same time, it wouldn't be possible without CTC, and I think it's a big hand for CTC for getting all you guys up.
So I always like to see Madhur's reaction when I do this. Leslie, your score will be secret.
You know what? I have never kept a secret score. I think the most scores are between you and Leslie.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's a hidden agenda.
I'm still waiting to see a secret score for me.
Toby, it's called the Bandra Unfair.
That unfair.
कोई बात नहीं, चलो।
Madhur, can we have your score? 9. Toby? Great. Thank you so much.
Don't consider it as, I put you down. All I'm doing is helping you go on to the next stage. Trust me. The girl in the center, I think you're a trained dancer. You've trained because you have amazing lines. You have amazing stage presence.
Absolutely. I agree
Bang
completely with
on,
Toby.
spot on, your expression.
Your body line, he's
Perfect.
correct. Your body line
Outstanding.
is so cool.
That's a nice compliment for a professional.
Brilliant.
So
brilliant.
if you
Trust
haven't trained, just imagine what's going to happen if you train.
Yeah.
And if you train under Toby, I guarantee you will go miles because this guy knows how to kick your ass and get you there. I
And-
watched him do it. I watched him do it with all the dancers. And I've seen the end result. It's amazing. But that's only because he's so focused about getting it there. So I think you guys have that talent.
And one more thing I would like to add, Leslie and Toby K. Don't break the team. Be like one. Very, very essential. Be like one, please. So next time, wherever I see you in Kanyakumari to Kashmir, I should see you all together, okay?
Fabulous. All right. Has a unique concept